Markdown. Hey there, future AI entrepreneurs. Welcome back to How to Use AI, the channel dedicated to unlocking the power of artificial intelligence for your benefit. 00015. Visual, dynamic text animation, AI automation, make money while you sleep with futuristic graphical elements. Look, we've all heard the hype about passive income. But let's be real, truly passive income is a myth. Automated income, on the other hand? That's absolutely attainable, especially when you leverage the power of AI. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build AI automations that can generate revenue while you're catching some Z's. Forget complicated coding. We're talking practical no-code solutions that you can implement today. Row 15 or 45. Visual, image of someone sleeping soundly with a laptop open and money symbols floating around them. Transition to a split screen showing the same person now awake and checking their phone with a smile. The secret? The AI automation funnel. Think of it like a digital Rube Goldberg machine. Only instead of building something wacky, you're building a system that attracts, engages, and converts prospects into paying customers. All on autopilot. 045 1.15. Visual, animation of an AI automation funnel. Visual representation of leads entering the funnel, being processed through various AI-powered stages, content, engagement, sales, and exiting as customers. Each stage labeled clearly. This funnel has several stages, all orchestrated by AI: lead generation, content creation, engagement, and sales. We'll break down 3 specific automations you can build right now that slot into this funnel. Let's dive in. 115-130. Visual, text on screen, automation. Example number 1, content repurposing pipeline. Automation. Number 1, the content repurposing pipeline. Creating content is a grind. But with AI, you can take one piece of content and transform it into dozens of variations, optimized for different platforms, all without lifting a finger. 132 socio. Visual, workflow diagram of a content repurposing automation. The diagram should show the following stages: blog post, ChatGPT API, social media scheduler, YouTube script, AI voiceover, short video. Imagine this. You write a blog post. Boom. That blog post triggers an automation. Using the ChatGPT API, it's automatically summarized into a Twitter thread, expanded into a LinkedIn article, and turned into a script for a short, engaging TikTok video. This video script can then be fed into an AI voiceover tool and combined with stock footage to create a compelling piece of content. Finally, all that content is automatically scheduled and published across all your social media channels. 2 Ganwan 230. Visual, screen recording of Make.com or Zapier, showing a simplified workflow for content repurposing. Focus on the modularity and ease of connecting different AI tools. You can build this automation using no-code platforms like Make.com or Zapier. These platforms connect various AI tools and allow you to create intricate workflows with drag-and-drop simplicity. 230-245. Visual, text on screen, automation example. Number 2, AI customer service bot. Automation. Number 2, the AI customer service bot. Providing instant personalized support is crucial for customer satisfaction, but it can be incredibly time-consuming. That's where an AI customer service bot comes in. 245-315. Visual, example of a website with an AI chatbot. Show the chatbot responding to common customer inquiries in a helpful and efficient manner. Include text bubbles with example questions and answers. Using tools like Dialogflow or Rasa, you can train an AI chatbot on your product information and frequently ask questions. This bot can then handle basic inquiries, troubleshoot common issues, and even route complex requests to a human agent, all 24/7. 315-345. Visual, screen recording showing the interface of Dialogflow or Rasa. Demonstrate how to train the AI chatbot with sample questions and answers. Highlight the intent and entity recognition features. This not only frees up your time, but also significantly improves the customer experience. Happy customers are repeat customers, which means more money in your pocket. 345-4 Cauchucores. Visual, text on screen, automation example. Number 3, automated lead generation. Automation. Number 3, automated lead generation. Finding qualified leads is the lifeblood of any business. AI can help you identify and nurture potential customers with laser precision. 430. Visual workflow diagram of a lead generation automation. Diagram includes LinkedIn Sales Navigator search, Phantom Buster data extraction, ChatGPT API, lead qualification and personalization, email marketing platform, personalized email sequence. Imagine this. You use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find professionals in your target market. Then, using a tool like Phantom Buster, you automatically extract their contact information and professional details. This data is then fed into the ChatGPT API, which uses it to personalize a series of email messages. These emails are then automatically sent through an email marketing platform like MailChimp or Sendinblue. 435 Nars. Visual example of a personalized email generated by AI. Show the email referencing the recipient's industry, company, and recent activities. Highlight the personalized call to action. The result? Highly targeted, personalized outreach that significantly increases your chances of converting leads into customers. 5:30 Visual screen recording of LinkedIn. Sales Navigator and Phantom Buster showing how to automate data extraction. Focus on setting up the automation to run on a schedule. This automation can be set up to run automatically, generating a steady stream of qualified leads while you focus on closing deals. 536 Swags. Visual compilation of all three workflow diagrams presented earlier. So, those are three powerful AI automations you can implement today. But what about the tools you'll need? 630. Visual logos of the tools mentioned. Make.com, Zapier, ChatGPT API, Dialogflow, Rasa, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, Phantom Buster, MailChimp, Sendinblue. Overlay text indicating free tiers and pricing plans. We've already mentioned tools like Make.com, Zapier, ChatGPT API, Dialogflow, Rasa, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, Phantom Buster, MailChimp, and Sendinblue. Many of these offer free tiers or free trials, so you can start experimenting without breaking the bank. Remember, the key is to find the tools that best suit your needs and budget. 637 Wow. Visual graphs showing potential income growth over time with and without AI automation. Emphasize the accelerated growth trajectory with automation. Now, let's talk realistic income expectations. Let's be clear, you won't become a millionaire overnight. But with consistent effort and strategic implementation, these automations can generate significant revenue. How much? It depends on your niche, your product, and your marketing efforts. But with a well-optimized funnel, it's definitely possible to generate hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. 7:30. Visual example dashboard. Showing revenue generated from an automated business. Focus on the positive trend and the breakdown of income sources, e.g., content, ads, sales. Be mindful of showing realistic numbers. The real power comes from the scalability. Once you've built a successful automation, you can replicate it for other products or services, multiplying your income streams. 7:45 Cross promo. Visual animated banner with logos for Rich Business and Rich Finance. Include links on screen. Speaking of business strategy, be sure to check out our sister channel, Rich Business, for expert advice on building and scaling your online ventures. And for tips on managing your AI-generated income, head over to Rich Finance for practical financial advice. Links are in the description below. 7:45-8:15. Visual, back to the AI automation funnel animation. This time, the animation highlights the importance of continuous monitoring and optimization. Remember, building AI automations is an iterative process. You'll need to continuously monitor your results, analyze your data, and optimize your funnel for maximum performance. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, so staying up to date is crucial. 8:45. Visual. Screen recording of a dashboard showing key metrics for an automated business, such as leads generated, conversion rates, and revenue per customer. Demonstrate how to use the data to identify areas for improvement. Focus on key metrics like lead generation rate, conversion rate, and customer lifetime value. Track these metrics religiously and use them to identify areas for improvement. A/B testing different strategies is also key to optimizing your funnel. 8:45-9:15. Visual. Quick montage of people working remotely, traveling, and enjoying their free time, interspersed with shots of laptops showing automated tasks running in the background. Building AI automations is about more than just making money. It's about creating a life of freedom and flexibility. It's about freeing yourself from mundane tasks and focusing on what you're truly passionate about. It's about building a business that works for you, even while you sleep. 9:15-9:45. Visual. End screen with call to action elements. Like button, subscribe button, bell notification icon, and a link to the free automation template. Animated pointer directing viewers to click each element. So, are you ready to start building your own AI automations? If so, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more AI tutorials, and click the bell icon to be notified of our latest videos. And as a special bonus, we're giving away a free AI automation template in the description below. This template will help you get started quickly and easily. 9:45-10 Kuro. Visual. Final shot of the How to Use AI logo with social media handles displayed prominently. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.